Okay. Hi, welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. This is a follow-up video from our molding head cutter that was released just a few days ago. A few people pointed this out, and I thank you for pointing this out. I made a boo-boo. Yes, I made a boo-boo. So, what did I do wrong? Well, this is how you see the cutter head setup. See, I've got it the angled, and if I rotate, I've got that way with the blades. So as it comes towards you, it looks like that. So this would be the back side. Right? Wrong! It's backwards. This stupid little egghead installed it backwards. So, as you can see, if I do, there's that side. That's correct. That flatter side should cut towards you, like that. See how it's cutting towards you? So see, that little smooth side should be in the back. I just looked at the image online of what the thumbnail looks like, and you're seeing that, and you should see. Don't flip it, rotate it, dum-dum. I'll give you the right one. Giving you the right one? Yeah, you should see that. Okay. I'm sorry, I got it in backwards. So, learn from my mistakes, ladies and gentlemen. But that is why I have you to correct me if I'm wrong. I like showing the mistakes so you can learn from my mistakes. And hopefully I learn from my mistakes. So, just a little quick update for you there, ladies and gentlemen. So, thank you to everyone who pointed this stuff out to me. I can't do this without you. Alright, so stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Our next video will be the beginning of next month, where... What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, router tables. Yeah, I got a router table here. And then following that will actually be a bandsaw update video. Yes, I think you're going to like some of the stuff we get there. Hopefully I don't screw that one up too. I'm a little nervous about did I do the fence correct. But we'll see, and hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.